iPhone 14 Pro Max is all out. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you all are doing well. iPhone 14 Pro Max is about to launch and we get a couple of leaks regarding it, including the first ever hands-on video. Meanwhile, iPhone 14 Pro Max is also getting something special that we have seen in the invitation. Apple is going to launch a couple of devices on their upcoming event, including the iPhone 14 lineup, along with Apple Watch Series 8 and Apple AirPods Pro 2nd generation with the lossless feature. And the event is going to be held on 7th of September, 10 AM Pacific time. The pre-orders will start from 9th of September, and the phones will hit the market on September 16. Now in the invitation picture, we see something special that Apple is going to do with the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below iPhone 14 Pro Max or iPhone 14. Which one would you prefer, and did you like the design of iPhone 14 Pro Max? The first ever hands-on video of iPhone 14 Pro Max in purple color was surfaced online today, where we see 3 lenses on the back that are comparatively bigger than the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and the phone looks similar to the iPhone 13 Pro Max. It is certain that this is the design we're going to get in the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Not just that, we also get a close-up shots of iPhone 14 Pro Max pill hole display, where the speaker is right up to the top and the selfie shooter on the right and other sensors on the left. We can say that these are the real images, since this doesn't look cheap, because there are a couple of copies that came ahead of iPhone 14 Pro Max launch. Now, according to the source who already hands on iPhone 14 Pro Max shares his thoughts, he said that the pill hole display didn't make much difference once you get used to it, and the phone is quite heavy, almost feels like a brick. As the event date is revealed, the picture is conveying something very important. It says 4 out, and the Apple logo is more like a galaxy, which means we may get a space zoom feature in the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Who knows, since we are getting the 48 megapixel sensor on the iPhone 14 Pro Max along with 12 megapixel ultra wide and 12 megapixel telephoto. iPhone 14 Pro Max was spotted for certification, where we see iPhone 14 new regulatory filing in India. There are a couple of false leaks regarding Apple is going with the iPhone 14 mini and will launch it, but these all news are kind of fake, since it is already confirmed instead of iPhone 14 mini we are going to get the iPhone 14 Max. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below iPhone 14 Pro Max or iPhone 14. Which one would you prefer, and did you like the design of iPhone 14 Pro Max? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.